Join me on this first timers trip to the silos at Magnolia Market, which is JoAnna Gaines' place in Waco.
3/4 of a mile, turn right onto Webster Avenue.
There is so much to explore here. I'm going to take you through what a day at the silos looks like. You could always spend a weekend in Waco, but a full day or a stop on a road trip like we were doing from Dallas to Austin, Texas, is definitely the way to enjoy going to the silos in Waco. So I'm going to walk you through all the little shops I went into, all of the bakeries, and guess what? JoAnna was actually filming right there. She was filming the Magnolia baking competition right on site. I had no idea when we showed up, but I was excited to get there and check it out. So this is the view from the outside of the silos. As you can see, it is massive. It is like 5, 6, 7 blocks. I mean, it is just huge. That's the entrance right there. And there are the silos behind the Silos Baking Co. So we parked just a few blocks down the street. It really was no problem at all. I think we went here on a Thursday on the way to Austin. So we arrived around noon.
It looks like they're filming.
And luckily, we were able to see JoAnna. I didn't even know she was there at first. My husband's a bit taller and could find her there in the back. He sent me this video after I told him, no, that's not her filming. But anyways, check out the filming schedule. And while you're waiting, or if you have kids, you can always take them to enjoy the grounds at the silos. There's plenty of areas to get out some energy, and then you could work up an appetite and check out all of the tasty food trucks that they have there. Now, Magnolia Table is JoAnna Gaines' restaurant in Waco, but actually it's not at this location. It's only about 6 minutes down the street, and I'll have another video on Sip Bite Go that walks you through what we had at that cafe. But we did check out the Silos Baking Company. It was so good. They hand you this cute little menu when you get to the door, and then you're ready to order inside. They had so many tasty treats. I loved the chocolate chip cookie, the brownie cookie, and I got the strawberries and cream cupcake that was recommended by someone working there, and it did not disappoint. So this shop is actually the Magnolia Market or the Magnolia store on site. It kind of has an Anthropologie store vibe to it. It's really cute, and you can definitely leave us some good souvenirs. All right, so in the afternoon, we headed over to the coffee shop for a little pick-me-up so we could head back to Austin with some energy. So I was checking out all the goodies we got at the Silos Baking Company. I love this chocolate chip cookie. We ate it over a couple days. My husband loves cinnamon rolls. He got one of those. It did not disappoint. And this cupcake, you cannot leave the silos area without getting JoAnna Gaines' cupcake from here. It's strawberry and cream cupcake. The delicious frosting was smooth and creamy and unlike any butter frosting that I've ever had before. So this was a beautiful day. Ended up at the Seed and Supply shop. Definitely check out some of my other videos. I have a whole trip planned that you can follow us along going on a road trip to Austin. And I have lots of Dallas videos and restaurant reviews as well. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers!